Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Welcome to today's session. I am Bhagyajyoti holding USN 1BE 20CS021 pursuing 6th semester in Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today's topic is application of CGV, that is computer graphics and visualization. Also we will learn some information about pixels and screen. Let us see the content of today's session. So these are the content which we will be understanding today. Firstly, we will see all the applications of CGV. Then we will see detailed explanation of pixel and screen. Lastly, we will understand how a pixel is represented on the screen. Here is the meaning of CGV. Firstly, the computer graphic deals with generating images and art with the aid of computers. The meaning of visualization is it is a process of proper representation of data and image with beautiful graphic tool to attract users. Nowadays, CGV is applicable in various fields. Here are some important sectors where CGV is used much. CGV is applicable in education sector, computer art, presentation, image processing, graphical user interface, machine drawing, visualization, entertainment, training, and printing technology. Here are the applications of CGV which we will be discussing today. The applications include computer art, computer aided drawing, presentation graphics, entertainment, education, training, visualization, image processing, machine drawing, graphical user interface. Now let us see these applications individually in detail. The first application of CGV is computer art. Using computer graphs we can create fine and commercial art which includes animation packages, painting packages. These packages provide facility for designing object shape and specifying object motion. Cartoon paintings, logo designing can also be done. The next application is computer aided drawing. Designing of buildings, automobiles, aircraft is done with the help of computer aided drawing. This helps in providing minute details to the drawing and produce more accurate and sharp drawing with better specifications. The next application is presentation graphics. For the presentation of reports or summarizing the financial, statistical, mathematical, scientific, economic data for research report. Moreover, creation of bar graph, pie charts, time chart can be done using tools present in the computer graphics. Computer graphics can also be used in entertainment field. Computer graphics find a major part of its utility in movie industry and game industry, used for creation motion pictures, music video, television show, cartoon animation film. In game industry where focus and interactivity are the key players, computer graphics helps in providing such feature in efficient way. The next application is visualization. Today the need of visualized things has increased drastically. The need of visualization can be seen in many advanced technology. Data visualization helps in finding insight of data. Next one is image processing. Various kind of photographs or images require editing in order to be used in different places. Processing of existing image into refined one for better interpretation is one of the many applications of computer graphics. These are the last two applications of computer graphic and visualization. Let us see about machine drawing. Computer graphics is very frequently used for designing, modifying and creation of various parts of machine. Sometimes the whole machine can be created using computer graphic. The main reason behind using computer graphic for this purpose is precision and clarity. The last application is graphical user interface. The use of pictures, images, icons, pop-up menus, graphical object help in creating a friendly environment. Using computer graphic, we can create such an environment where everything can be automated and everyone can get desired action performed in an easier fashion. Now let us see detailed explanation of pixels and screen. Here we can see two images representing pixels and screen. Now we will learn individually pixels and screen. Here is the detailed explanation of pixels. Computer-based images are comprised of thousands of tiny dots of color called pixels. Pixels are small dots you see if you put your face closer to your television or computer screen. Pixel is an image can be reproduced at any size without the appearance of visible dots or square, but in many contexts they are reproduced as dots or squares and can be visible distinct when not fine enough. Here is the detailed explanation of screen. Screen resolution is the number of pixels on a screen, both horizontally and vertically. So a screen that has a resolution of 3840 into 2160, it can display 2160 pixel vertically and 3840 pixel horizontally. Now let us see last part of today's session. Let's understand how a pixel is represented on screen. Computers uses pixel to display an image, often an abstract image that represent a GUI. The resolution of this image is called the display resolution and is determined by the video card of the computer. To produce the sharpest image possible on an LCD, the user must ensure that display resolution of computer matches the native resolution of monitor. This is all for today's section. Please like and share the video. Thank you for watching.